أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. From Dr. Shanaz Naik to my all brothers and sisters who are watching this lesson, Assalamu alaikum. I convey my regard. In the previous lesson, we learned about Haroofe, Halaqee, Haroofe Halaqee or Haroofe Izhar. These are the 6 letters which we pronounce from our throat, and our throat is divided into 3 parts. The lowermost part, which is towards our chest, is Aqsa Halaq. Then the middle portion is Waste Halaq. Then the upper portion, which is towards our mouth, is Adna Halaq. And all 3 parts of our throat pronounce 2 letters, 2 Arabic letters, and total 6 letters are pronounced by these 3 parts of our throat. So from our Aqsa Halaq, the lower portion of the throat, we pronounce Hamza, Ha. We have to feel our vibration in Aqsa Halaq. If we feel vibration here and we feel pressure on our chest, we will be sure that we are pronouncing the letters right. Hamza, Ha. And then from our Waste Halaq, we pronounce Ain, Ha. And from our Adna Halaq, which is towards our mouth, we pronounce Ain, Ha. So we learned these 3 makharij. Now we will continue our lesson ahead. If we open our mouth, we will see the visible parts of our mouth. We can easily see our tongue. Then if we see upwards, our palate, on front side it is hard and on the back side it is soft. And from the soft palate, there is small portion is hanging, which is known as uvula. Then all around our jaws, upper and lower jaws, there are teeth. We are studying these parts of the mouth because most of the makhrajes, most of the Arabic alphabets are pronounced from these parts. Then visibly on our face is our lips and our nose. We will learn the different makharij from where different words are pronounced. We will learn how to pronounce these letters from these makharij today. First of all, we will learn about our tongue. You can see the picture of the tongue. If we go behind where tongue is attached to our lower portion of the mouth, it is known as Aslul Lisan or root of the tongue. This is root of the tongue at the back side where tongue is attached to our mouth. Then just ahead is called the Hafatul Lisan, the thick portion of the tongue. Then at the center of the tongue is known as Wastul Lisan. Sides of the tongue are known as Tarful Lisan, while tip of the tongue is known as Rasul Lisan. And the back of the tongue is known as Zuhrul Lisan. We have to learn the different parts of the tongue because many makhrajes will be are situated in these portions, and many alphabets are produced or pronounced from these makharij. Today, we will learn the alphabets, Arabic alphabets, which are produced from our root of the tongue, which is known as in Arabic Asrul Lisan, and our soft palate or juvla where is hanging. In Arabic, to the juvla, we can call kawwa, lisane saghir, small tongue, or lihat. So, makhraj number 4 is for Qaaf. Qaaf having 2 nukat on it, and Qaaf is produced from root of the tongue while pressing upwards to the juvla. Then it is produced. If we see the parts of Qaaf, so it consists of Qaaf, Alif and Fa. Alif is Haroofe Madda. In my previous lecture, I have told you that whenever during Arabic Haroofe Tajweed, we find Haroofe Madda between the words which are used to make one alphabet is pronounced as lengthening of voice. This is the characteristic of Qaaf, that it is pronounced by lengthening of the voice and thick voice. So whenever we press our root of the tongue upwards and pressing the juvla, the Qaaf will be produced. How we will produce? Qaaf. So we will lengthen it and we pronounce it as a thick voice. From where it is producing? The producing point, the articulation point is our Aslul Lisan, root of the tongue. When it is pressing upwards and it press the juvla, Lehat, Qaaf, Qaaf will be produced. And in the makhraj number 5, how we can produce Qaaf? Qaaf with kashish. It is visible on the screen, and this Qaaf is produced also from the root of the tongue, Asrul Lisan, and the soft palate just ahead from the juvla, not at the point of juvla, but just ahead to the juvla towards the mouth. Its parts, it is consist of Qaaf, Alif and Fa. So then Haroofe Madda is between these two words, these two alphabets, and alphabet Qaaf will be produced by lengthening the voice, but not with a thick voice. With normal voice, we will produce Qaaf. How we will produce? Qaaf. So it is produced by pressing our root of the tongue, Asrul Lisan, upwards, just, and it touches our soft palate just in front of juvla. To the juvla, we called in Arabic Qawwa, Lehat, Lisane Saghir. So we call these two words Qaaf and Kaaf as Haroofe Lahatiya, Haroofe Lahavia. In our next lecture, inshallah ta'ala, we will learn the use of Qaaf and Kaaf. Listen this sound, how it will be pronounced when we are reciting Quran Pak verses, so that we can easily understand the difference between these two, Qaaf and Kaaf. And whenever we have to produce these two alphabets, we have to produce them with their specific characteristics. When we want to produce Qaaf, we will produce Qaaf. When we want to produce Kaaf, we will produce Kaaf. If you learn something from this lesson and it benefits you, please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on my YouTube channel about this lesson, and share it with your family members and friends so that they can also learn the correct pronunciation of different alphabets. Please give me permission till next lecture from Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. Khuda Hafiz.